Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video doing an unboxing. I got a box from this company, a newer company called BeautyKind, and I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about BeautyKind and show you guys some of the products that they sent me. But before I get into the box, I definitely wanted to give you guys a rundown of what BeautyKind is, why I'm doing this video, why you should know about BeautyKind, all that good stuff. I actually have a friend who introduced me to BeautyKind. Shout out to Brandy. This is the first time I've ever seen a company do something like this, and I was really excited about it. They are a company that sells well-known beauty products that you can find at Ulta, Sephora. The cool thing about their site is that not only do they sell beauty products, but they also donate and give back. So with each purchase of beauty products from their site, 5% of your purchase goes towards a charity of your choice. So I wanted to make this video because they have a campaign going on right now called BeautyKind Gives. It's more so just a way for you guys to enter to win money to donate to charity. So if you have a charity that you're really passionate about, or that you're excited about, or that you feel drawn to, you can make a video, upload it to Instagram or Facebook, hashtag BeautyKind Gives, and they will pick a winner and they will donate $1,000 to that charity of your choice. So I thought that was amazing. I wanted to go ahead and do it myself in a world where there's so much chaos and like just disturbing things happening. It's only right that we find as many ways as we can to give back to our communities. And the community I'm a part of currently is Chicago, and I wanted to give back to a charity that gives to children in Chicago because I feel like there is a lack of resources available to children, especially in the inner city. So I wanted to donate to a charity called Heartland Alliance. I know someone who is affiliated with Heartland Alliance, and she was telling me that they were doing everything they can to help out, to give services to unaccompanied minors, to deal with the unaccompanied minors situation that's going on in America right now, not only in Chicago, but just America at large. Because of the zero tolerance policy, there has been a lot of talk about what to do about these unaccompanied minors and them being separated from their families. I think it's heartbreaking to know that there are so many children who are disconnected with their families because of this. So Heartland Alliance is doing everything they can to give them services that help with just keeping them off the streets, keeping them safe, and expediting finding their families. So they are working on their emergency responses, but a donation would definitely help. If I were to get this donation from BeautyKind, I would definitely love to support Heartland Alliance in the heart of what's going on right now, because it's a really big issue. So that is the charity that I wanted to donate to, and that is what BeautyKind Gives is. And I hope that you guys take this opportunity to, you know, maybe make a video for yourselves, and that way you guys can help to donate to one of the charities of your choice. So not everybody's gonna get the chance to give the $1,000, but you do have an opportunity to shop on BeautyKind and actually give back by giving the 5% of your purchase to the charity of your choice. So I'm going to show you guys what products I got and let you guys kind of see what they have as far as like products go. So it says BeautyKind, and beauty is our passion, kindness is our cause. When you shop BeautyKind, 5% of your purchase is given to the charity of your choice. It's no extra cost to you. So this is the card, and look at this. That's my friend Brandy. So BeautyKind has high-end products, y'all. They're not just like random beauty products. These are like nice quality products, okay? So we got Peter Thomas Roth in here. If you guys have ever tried Peter Thomas Roth, their masks are amazing. So this is the Irish Moor mask from Peter Thomas Roth, and I love this mask. It's a purifying black mask, and it is purifying, refining, decongesting, and hydrating. All the things that I like. I love this mask. I've actually tried it on multiple occasions, but I have never actually gotten the full size. So now I have the full size. We also have in here some Dermablend. This is the Insta Grip Jelly Primer. It's a 3-in-1 primer, and it's jelly. So that's interesting. It's makeup gripping, instant moisturizing, and tightening mask. Okay, that's interesting. I've never tried a mask that's also doubles as a primer. Okay. Ooh, I love Briogeo. You guys, if you haven't tried Briogeo, I've used their products on multiple occasions. This is the charcoal and tea tree scalp treatment. And I love this stuff. It's really good for dry scalp. This is the Scalp Revival shampooing micro exfoliant. So it's an exfoliating shampoo, and if you have dry scalp or flaky scalp, this is amazing because it'll lift all those flakes and dryness up out of your scalp and like get rid of all the dandruff and stuff. And it just makes your scalp feel really clean. So I really like this. I actually had a tub of this and I used it all up, and I'm so glad that I got another one because I need another one. Laura Geller Lash Triple Benefit Lash Balls. Never have enough mascaras, okay? So definitely want to try that. And I love Laura Geller. I love their Gilded Honey Highlight, so I'm sure that their other products are amazing. We also got in here Rodeo Dragon Blood Eye Mask, Hydrate and Tone Deep Puffing Eye Masks. These are really good for the plane. I love wearing eye masks on planes. We've got some Bee Venom. Ooh, Bee Venom Extreme Performance Serum. I actually have heard about Rodeo's Bee Venom stuff, and I'm not necessarily sure if it works, but I'm willing to try it. You guys know. Clarins. Ooh, they have Clarins. Clarins is bourgeois. Okay. Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil. Ooh, I love it. Lip oils. Herbal Body Moisturizer, 100% natural hemp seed oil. Body lotions are always a must, especially in the summertime. Always need a good body lotion so my skin can shimmer and shine. Stila, oh, I already know what this is. Glittering Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Kitten Karma. I actually already have this, but can never have enough. And we've got a whole bag full of samples. We got a Beauty Blender Solid in here. Got some dry shampoo, more Peter Thomas Raw, more Stila. I think that's, oh no, last but not least, I have the new blue Beauty Blender. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this because it's blue. I don't know why that excites me. Colorful beauty blenders just make me happy. Not that I need more beauty blenders because I have a lot. That is the amazing box of goodies that BeautyKind sent me, and I wanted to thank BeautyKind for working with me and partnering with me on this video to bring awareness to their company and to what they do, and also bring awareness to giving back. It's just been one of my goals to give back to more people who don't have the privileges that we have. People who can't even watch this video right now because they're so disadvantaged. So yeah, that's what this video really means to me. So yeah, be staying tuned to all my social channels. I will talk to you guys in my next video, okay?